Hello, my name is Bruce Oppenheim from Ohio Travel Bag, and today I want to tell you about a great product called the ZlideOn Zipper Slider. It's perfect for fixing zippers where you don't want to take the zipper apart. Let me show you how it works. I have two ZlideOns here. This one has a single zipper tab on it. This one has a double zipper tab on it, which would be used on, say, a sleeping bag or a tent. They're very easy to open. What you do is you take the tab, put it forward, put your fingernail in the base, and then with a little force, snap it open. You can see right there. We're going to fix this zipper here that's separated. So we'll take this ZlideOn, put the two tabs forward, put our fingernail in there, snap it open, take our zipper where it's split, and this is so easy. It's crazy how easy it is. You put the zipper over where it's split and just snap it on. And there you have it, a fixed zipper. So if you don't want to take a zipper apart or it's hard to get the old zipper off, this is great. Just snap it on and there you go. And they're very durable and they're made in Europe. Great product.